I actually just hit my first $8,000 on YouTube. 2 weeks ago, I ran an experiment. I wanted to see if I could change the countries that is watching my video, and here is what happened to my channel after the experiment. These are the type of country and audience that are watching my videos before the experiment, and these are the new type of country that are watching my video after the experiment. You can see there is big difference there, and this has impacted my earnings very much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly and what I did to shift my views from smaller paying country to high paying country like US, Canada, UK and Australia. And you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to share a secret and trick that instantly boosts my watch hours. So welcome to this channel. My name is Michael, and if you are new here on this channel, I share tips on YouTube growth and how to monetize your content on YouTube. So if you want to grow faster and earn more from your content, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So let's get started. So why top paying countries is very matter in your content or on YouTube. Before I show you the step, let me answer this. Why should you care about the top countries? And the reason is that people in this country actually buys product online, and advertisers actually pay more for those clicks they get on YouTube. But when most of your viewers are from countries like Nigeria, where the online purchase is slow, your CPM is going to drop. And that is why if you want to increase your revenue, you need to attract attention from those countries where ads perform well. And I'm going to share you the steps to start taking right now, so that you can get views from US, UK and Canada, or from other high-paying country. And the step number one you need to start taking is, first of all, go to your channel and change your channel location. Because this is the first thing I did. I changed my channel location. I live in Nigeria right now, and Nigeria is my country, but my location is set to United States. And you need to understand this. Changing location doesn't affect your monetization, and YouTube doesn't care if your location is different from where your viewers are coming from. And if you are in a country where monetization is limited, then this can actually help you. For example, some countries don't allow channels membership, and they don't even allow channel monetization. But if you set your channel to the US or UK or other high-paying countries, you are going to get more features and you are going to get your channel monetized even faster than your country. So the step number one is to go to your settings and change your channel location to a top paying country. And as you can see, here is my own channel location. It is set to the United States, and which I am actually from Nigeria right now. And if you can hear my accent, you can see that I'm from Nigeria. And the second step you need to start doing right now is to set your video location also. I set location for every video I upload, and here is how it works. If you upload 3 videos or 2 videos in a week, you should set the first one to United States and the second one to the UK. You're not going to be using just different location for every video you upload. And by doing this, you are sending signal to the YouTube algorithm that your content is tied to that region. And when you do it consistently, the algorithm is going to start recommending your videos to those countries, and people in that country is going to watch your video. And you can only do this through the YouTube Studio dashboard. You cannot try this on the mobile app. So make sure you upload on your YouTube Studio dashboard, which is on the website. And the third thing you need to start doing right now is to always add captions to your videos. If you are watching this video right now, you can see that I added caption to this video, and if you go to my previous video, you can see that I add captions to my previous videos. And this is going to help you in letting people stay to watch more of your video, because even if they don't understand your accent, they are going to read the caption and they will be understanding what you'll be saying. So adding captions is going to help you a lot in getting more watch hours on your channel, because not everyone can understand your accent. But when you add captions, viewers are going to read along while listening to your videos, and this helps especially in countries like the US or Canada, where people expect clarity. And adding captions has improved my retention and allow me to connect with a wider audience. And the best part of it, it is free. YouTube Studio lets you upload your auto-generated caption for all of your videos, and you can actually input it or put it on yourself. And here's the bonus tip I'm going to give you on this video. When you combine these 3 strategies together, your channel location your video location, and your caption. Your audience is going to shift quickly, and within just 2 weeks my top geographic completely changed, and this app helped me to generate more than $8,000 in the last 28 days because I actually get more views from those high paying countries, and I actually have higher RPM on my video, and this is a game changer for me. So now it's your turn to go and check your analysis and know where your audience are coming from, so that you can start applying these steps and the strategy I have shown you right now. And if you find this video very helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips on this channel, and share this video with a fellow creators who need it. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next video.